Morning, sir. Wow. Wow, very good. 49/50. Next.
Morning, sir.
Wow, 48/50. Very good. Yes, sir. Sir, cut. Okay, 50/50. Good morning, sir. Okay, 49/50. Thank you po. Good morning, sir. Good morning, classmate. Okay, 48/50. Very good. Thank you po. Next.
Morning po, sir.
Okay, Mr. Carbona. Go on. Ano yun? Pwede po umulit. Sige, go. Ay, bagsak na to. Okay. Isa-isa na lang po, please. Sige, go. Okay, that's it. Sir, isa na lang po, please. -10/50. Hindi mo na kita pag-graduatein ha. Papuntahan mo yung parents mo dito. Maawa po kayo, sir. Sir. Next.